This is our Hardinge Dsm59 second operation lathe with a turret and cross slide. It's an 18,000 serial number machine, so it's very late. Just to point out, this machine is equipped with a Brown & Sharp number 21 spindle. Came out of a screw machine house where they had a lot of collets for their Brown & Sharp machines, so they had it ordered with that. Those collets are available on the internet if you look around. Or if you're a screw machine shop, it's a good opportunity to get a machine that normally we would probably ask $69 or $79.50 for a fraction of that. So here it is. We're going to run it for you. The turret functioning, cross, we're in high range. We're at 2,600 RPM. Slowing down. Going low, forward. Speeding up. Forward. Have to be careful in reverse so the retaining ring doesn't come off, but that was in reverse. This is our Hardinge Dsm59. Thank you for watching our video.